Good afternoon, student. In this video today, you are going to see how to use the insert images features of OpenOffice under documentation, digital documentation. Okay, this is the practical number 2, which we are going to see. Have a look in the video and practice the same. So you can see on my screen, here is OpenOffice, right? OpenOffice by Apache. I will double click on this and now you can see a dialog box gets open. Here you need to click on the text document. So once you click on the text document, this screen gets open, right? Now here, the very first thing that we are going to see about how to insert images. Now there are different ways of inserting the images. One by one we will see that. The very first way is if we have to go in the insert tab, and here is the option of picture. Okay, so you can directly insert a picture using this insert tab and using the picture dialog box, and whatever picture that you want, you can just click on that and simply insert that picture over here, right? This picture gets inserted. At the same time, the second way of inserting picture is second way of inserting picture is using drag and drop feature. So it is as simple as this. For example, here you have seen it was maximized. I have restored it. And now whatever picture that you want, for example, I want this particular picture on the screen on my document. So I'll just click, hold it, drag, उसको लेके आऊंगी यहाँ पे and drop it. So you will see the second picture gets inserted. So in this way, the pictures, you can insert the picture in two different ways. The third way of inserting the picture is just a minute. The third way of inserting picture is by using clip art. Now, what is the meaning of clip art? Clip art simply means using copy and paste option. So, for example, I want to copy a particular picture. If for example, this picture is on my desktop, the same picture, I will right click on it and just click on copy. Okay, click on copy button, or the shortcut key for it is Control C. I have pressed Control C. I'll go again in my document, and here I'll click on Control V. You can see again the same picture gets inserted. So there are three pictures we have seen. This we have done using the insert dialog box, insert tab. Their picture dialog box was there. This is using the drag and drop feature, and third one is using clip art. Okay, one more way using which we can insert a picture is with the help of gallery. Now where is the gallery? Gallery option is here only in the standard toolbar. You can see on the right hand side here we have the option of gallery. So when you click on gallery, you can see multiple ways, okay, different ways or themes are available. So whichever picture you want, so you can just click on that picture. Okay, select it from here, and for example, I want this computer picture. So if I just click on it, the picture does not get inserted. What you have to do, you have to right click on that. Here is the option of insert, and simply click on copy. When you click on copy, you will see the picture gets inserted. So this is one way of inserting the picture using this gallery feature. Okay, and the last one of inserting the how to insert picture is using scanner. So insert, here you have picture, here you have scanner. Now select the source. Now this here you will be able to see the name of all those printers and scanners only when my computer is connected to the printer or to the scanner. अगर मेरा computer scanner में connected होगा तो ही मैं यहाँ पे नाम देख पाऊंगी, otherwise nothing will come. Now here you can see nothing is there, and I do not have a printer, it is not connected, and because of that I can't select the images from here. Okay, but you should remember this is one way of inserting the picture using the scanner. Okay, now once you have inserted the picture, let's see different properties of it. So when you click on this picture, okay, जब picture पे click करते हो, you can see here a small picture dialog box gets open. Okay, you can see a small picture dialog box gets open. Just a minute. At the same time, we'll also see for the properties box. Yes. So Here it is. Correct. Yeah. See, many times, see, if you was, I was struggling for this property dialog box. This property dialog box goes from, if I click on this cross, this dialog box will go from your property dialog box. Okay, so when you click on the picture like this, automatically this property dialog box appear on the right hand side. This picture box gets appear, and at the same time property dialog box also get appear. But here if it is not visible, you can just click on this green and blue color box and click on that, and this property dialog box gets open. So now when you click on this picture, here you can see, here you have the picture dialog box. Okay, so very first is from the file. So already we have taken the picture, right? So no need to click on this. Already we have a picture right over here. Now next to it, here you have filters. When you click on the filters, there are different types of filters available. The very first is invert. When you click on invert, the colors will get inverted. The color will get opposite, inverted. Okay, invert color हो जाएंगे सारे के सारे यहाँ पे. Okay, again it's original. Then next to it you have smooth. Now this smooth, sharpen and remove noise, these three features, smooth, sharpen and remove noise, all these three are also one of options for this, but इसका इतना effect दिखता नहीं है, इतना effect दिखता नहीं है इसका. Let's see how. If I click on this smooth, hardly कुछ effect हुआ है उसके ऊपर, hardly. Again if I click on sharpen, just observe the picture. Okay, there is hardly any effect. Again here is remove noise, hardly any effect, right? Now, next what we have here is the solarization. If I click on the solarization option, I get dialog box, and now if I increase, decrease the value from here, see you can see the change in the picture. Look, the effect happens immediately. This is called a solarization effect. Then next is the aging effect. If you click on this, the more you increase, the more aging effect you will be able to see. See over here in that the preview box, and that's it. Again, when you click over here, the next option is posterize. This is how you have in your mobile phone and all those effects. जैसे आपके मोबाइल फोन में अलग अलग इफेक्ट होते हैं ना, पोस्टराइज इफेक्ट, देन यू हैव मोजाइक इफेक्ट, पॉप आर्ट इफेक्ट, सी चारकोल स्केच, स्केची इफेक्ट, ये हमारे मोबाइल में भी होता है ऑप्शंस. रिलीफ, हाँ जो जहाँ पे जितना लाइट सोर्स रहेगा आपका. ओके, देखो जहाँ पे आप क्लिक करोगे जहाँ पे उतना लाइट इफेक्ट आएगा. अगर सेंटर में करोगे तो पूरा सब कुछ लाइट हो जाएगा, और जहां जहां पे आप क्लिक करोगे अकॉर्डिंगली वैसे वैसे आपको इफेक्ट्स दिखाएगा. दिस कॉल्ड एज रिलीफ इफेक्ट. ओके, एंड लास्ट इज द मोजाइक इफेक्ट. The pixels, it works on pixels. It works on the pixels. See, it blurs the image. Pixels जो हम बोलते हैं. So these are some of the filter options that you all should know, right? Then moving ahead here, you have some gray. If you want a grayscale image, you can take a grayscale image. If you want a black and white image, black and white over the cover. If you want a watermark, you can use it as a 1 minute. If I want to use it as a watermark, it will be faded. बहुत fade हो जाएगा वो. And if I इसका transparency अगर मैंने increase कर दिया, actually we have put some effect over here. That's why it's, see now see. I will be able to see the watermark. हमने watermark apply कर दिया, इसका transparency भी हमने बढ़ा दिया है. अगर मैं transparency से कम होती करती तो एकदम light, it will become very very light. And if I increase the transparency, it will be darker. Okay, so this is the option available over here. Next is color. If you want, you can change the color over here also. This is also that day we have seen these different color effects. So you can change from here. This is contrast and this is the gamma effect. Fine. Then after that you have, if you want to flip the image horizontally or vertically, that also you can do from here. Then that day also you were seeing one more thing called as wrap text, right? So for example, I'm putting some text over here. Maybe I'll just copy some text from one document. So just a minute. So the notes that is already being shared with you. इसका notes already share किया है आप लोगों से. So please kindly go through each and every part properly. And coming back. over here. I have pasted it. Okay, now you can see I have pasted the images over here like this. Now if I will just click on this image, and now I will just clicking on these different options. देखो दिख रहा है before, तो क्या हो गया after. If I just drag it somewhere over in between, देखो image चला गया. See the text, how the text are being changing continuously. It's getting wrapped up. अब मैं थ्रू किया तो क्या हो गया, उसके ऊपर से इमेज के ऊपर से देखो, इमेज के ऊपर से भी इमेज भी दिखेगा और वो टेक्स्ट भी दिखेगा, both the ways. And this is optimal. Okay, so these are called as different wrapping option. Then is positioning. So from here you can see there are four different corner handles available. One six are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corner handles are there. You can increase decrease size from here is one option. Another is here you can change the width from here, height from here, another option. Okay, so even this option is available for increasing or decreasing the height or width. You can see यहाँ पे इसको rotate करने के लिए कोई option नहीं. We can't see any option to rotate, right? You can't see any option to rotate over here. So what you can do, so what we will do, you have to click on this option called as file and new, and then here you have the option of drawing. Sorry, again click on file and new, and here you have drawing. When you click on this drawing, okay, here you can see this option दिख रहा है नीचे आपको, एकदम नीचे दिख रहा है आपको option है effects का option है. So what we will do, we'll copy this image from here and paste it over here. And now if you click on this effects, अब ये जब मैं इस पर क्लिक कर दूंगी, देखो select this object first, okay, and now when you click on this it changes into red color. ये पहले green था तो green में है, अब क्लिक किया red में हो गया. And now I can rotate this image the way I want. See, okay, how much rotation you want, you can rotate it accordingly. And now copy it from here and go there and paste, because ओपन ऑफिस में रोटेशन का ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं होता है, इसलिए आपको ऐसे करना होगा. ओके, दिस इज द वे ऑफ rotating the object, right? Now moving ahead, there is something called as a drawing. Okay, so when you go to insert, I think here you have the option of drawing. Just a minute. You had the option of drawing. Insert, and then not able to see properly. Just a minute. So once it is done, come down. Then here you have direct option also for inserting a drawing, and there also it's available. Yeah. So this is a drawing function. If you click on this here, you can see the drawing functions. If when I click on this option, I am able to see a drawing function. See, okay. And now if I go here, visible, but I can see different type of drawings. Okay, I can see different types of drawings. So any one drawing that you want to draw, you can just select that drawing from here. Okay, so this option is just like how we have quick access toolbar. जो आपको चाहिए, अगर आपको ये polygon चाहिए, क्लिक करो, देखो polygon यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. ठीक है, so whatever you want, just click on that and you can insert the drawing. See here, the drawing gets inserted. Okay, so this is the way. And if you want to insert one more drawing, just take this, insert one more drawing. आप देखो ये दो अलग अलग ड्राइंग्स, ये अलग ड्राइंग है, ये अलग ड्राइंग.